Welcome, Tiny Hands, Big Dreams, here with an update on our $3,000 house project. So, we're building a house just with our family. We last left you with that gianty post that we put up with no video because the camera quit. Whatever. So, we need more posts. We need a lot more posts. The house is made of posts. It's going to be made of mud and some sticks too. So, we're going to take down some posts. We're going to open up light for the garden, which was desperately needed. And we're going to get to getting them prepped up. Now, the prepping is interesting. We came up with a method that is nearly free, and that is burn it, coat it in oil, used motor oil specifically, which we can get for free, and then we put it in just the tiniest bit of cement just to set it in the ground. This keeps all the earth-borne insects out of it and preserves it from the high moisture environment that we have. So far in my tests, it's working really well. Now, we consult our plan. It's a lovely little plan. That's what we have. Figure out where to put stuff, and let's go measure. All ready. Cement in the hole. Postie ready. Postie treated. Postie top. Postie has strings.
We have 3 anchor points.
We have 3 triangular anchor points. Okay. Let's postie. Now, if you can give me a little hand. Postie. Well, we can check over here. That's 5 feet. So the bathroom is
From middle of wall, middle of wall. What's the middle of, right?
I think we cheated one side, so one side is an inside to a middle to gain a few more inches. So if we do that, and I put the middle of the wall there, I don't have enough room for the plumbing. I have just 2 inches to put a wall here.
Okay.
Which is right.
But is that correct for that post to this post? Because you can look from here to here, from there to there, because that means the whole thing is going to do this. I guess.
We're going to have to put 2 markers and then measure diagonals.
Honestly, these don't matter as much because it's not walls. So
Right.
they're not exactly at the right point, you know what I mean? Four, 4, 5? 4, 4, 5?
4, 4, 4, and a remainder.
4, 4, 5?
4, 4, 4, and a remainder. Got our lovely retaining wall. We got our levels. We're getting dug in. It's lovely. Different rooms. And then, oh, right under the surface was roots and topsoil. Actually, under the clay. Oh, we'll just dig it out. Oh yeah, it's just a little, it's just right. Oh no. And here is my lovely wife digging a giant hole in what will be our dining and living area in the future. To remove said hidden buried organics. What a wonderful surprise. So we don't have our floor sag on us in the future. This is part of the joy of house building. So what we're struggling with here is the tallest post of the house, but it's not actually in the house. It's actually outside. So the kitchen is just inside the wall, and it's got a big rounded kind of window that'll be there, and it'll look out onto this post. And this will actually be outdoor kitchen, which we really like having an outdoor kitchen. So this post just needed to go out there. Now, this is the first post that I've kind of finished out. I sanded it, I gave it linseed oil. It's really pretty. This thing's been laying around for over a year now, sitting out in the weather. Came out really nice, but it's something we're going to see all the time, so I wanted to do it up well.
I know. Wants to roll that way.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. And I can't control it anymore. But I'm gonna be out of. Don't hurt yourself. I can't do anything.
We're not rolling.
Yeah, I can't help you though. That's. Oh, you're gonna lose the end.
So getting these beams up is a huge pain. This is me trying very carefully not to drop it on my head and adjust it into its little seat that I made for it. I've come up with a novel way of attaching them, which is really cheap and I think will suit the bill. And it's basically wrapping it with wire and then using nails on the side to winch the wire down. This will allow a little bit of flexibility, but keep it firmly attached. So for the really big beams, and this is the longest one of the house, we use the winch. It's a lovely little winch. It's an ATV winch. It was given to me years ago, used. We've used the crap out of it. It cleared this whole site. But you can see we hook it up and we're able to pull, I think it's a 29-foot beam. And it's the longest one, and that is the central span across our house. So we needed a pretty solid one because we're spanning across the eating, kitchen-y kind of area, and it's the least amount of support. So here we are. This is what it looks like today. I got the rear main beams up. I got the front beams up. I got some plastic on there just to keep them dry. I have little hats on the rest of the posts. Keeping the ends dry and the bottoms protected really makes a big difference. I got up there and I cut off the tops and I was doing some leveling so we could start doing our roof beams, and every one of them is beautiful and hard and dry. So that part of it's working. Here's another view. You can see the level a little better. We spent a lot of time cutting in these levels, getting, just pecking them down to less than an inch variation across the floors. So that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you for the next one.